Hey there. Today I'll be speaking about the role that men and women have and the seemingly trending divide amongst them. So I'm calling this Awakened Women and the Sacred Guardians of Balance. As the wise women awake to their innate power and purpose, an essential question arises. Where do the men stand in this great unfolding? What role do they play in this sacred return to harmony? Beneath the surface of this collective awakening, there is a deeper current flowing, one that speaks to the vital role of men as guardians of this transition. Yet, their part cannot fully manifest until the women rise first. For centuries, the natural order has been inverted. Patriarchy, contrary to popular belief, has never truly been about men holding power. It has been about serving women from their inner wisdom, their sacred knowing. For when the feminine forgets her essence, the masculine loses sight of his purpose. But as the awakened women claim their sovereignty, stepping fully into their unbridled radiance and creative force, something stirs within the masculine. They feel it deeply in their bones, in the marrow of their being. The men of this world are not necessarily meant to lead the new paradigm. They are meant to be the sentinels, the keepers of the sacred threshold, while women restore the world from the inside out. At its highest expression, the masculine is a circle of stones surrounding the sacred fire, steadfast, unwavering, forming a protective embrace so that the feminine can do the holy work of mending, creating, and birthing a new reality. Yet, in this moment of great transition, we see many men adrift, struggling to find their place. They are frustrated, disconnected, and numbed by a system that has deceived them. They oscillate between domination and disappearance, between aggression and retreat. They wait, whether they know it or not, for the signal, the call of the feminine to rekindle the fires of remembrance. For too long, men have been led to believe that their power lies in control, in subjugation. But the true power, the ancient power of the sacred masculine, is found in devotion to the feminine's divine unfolding. When the wise women rise, the sacred men will remember. They will lower their swords and take up their staffs. They will become the gatherers of firewood, the well-diggers, the protectors of unseen realms, the storytellers who preserve the lineage of the truth. The holy masculine is not about softness or surrender. It is about being resolute, unshakable, the firm ground upon which the feminine can kneel in reverence and midwife an entirely new timeline into existence. The men will build the walls of protection, while the women cultivate the gardens of renewal. The men will shoulder the burdens of weight, while the women weave beauty back into the fabric of the land. The men will stand vigilant at the gates, while the women sing the world back into harmony. And perhaps this is why, in this moment, there is so much division and discord between men and women. Deep within, there is an ancient knowing, one that recognizes that the moment they remember they were never meant to be adversaries. The entire foundation of the old paradigm will crumble. No savior is coming. The mothers, the women, the weavers of life will rise first, and behind them, the men will stand not out of weakness, not out of subservience, but because the feminine is the portal through which rebirth occurs. And the sacred masculine? Well, he is the guardian of the gateway, the steadfast protector who holds the line so that harmony can be restored. Once more, the truth resounds. The women rise first. The men follow. Not because they are lesser, but because they are the guardians who await the call. And together they will weave a world where balance is restored and the sacred dance of creation is remembered once more. Have a great day. Much love to you all. Sat Nam.